All right, everybody, how's it going? It's yours truly. I'm happy to be doing this overview video for the A.R.M.S Inc. Silhouette B folding A2 sight. This is a sight and a gas block. There's plenty of sights that fold and get out of the way. Precision Reflex sells a really good one. Yankee Hill Machinery, they sell a pretty good one. But in my opinion, this one is the best right here. And one, it looks way cooler than all the other ones. That's important. It's made here in the U.S. That's also a really big plus. And it utilizes a typical traditional A2 sight technology, so you can make adjustments on the fly if you already have A2 sight adjustment tools. I have plenty that will adjust both A2 sights and A1 sights. And let me just show you how this thing works really quick. So right now it is up. Now, me personally, I'm not the biggest fan of co-witnessing with the front side up. Just a personal preference. I would rather get the sight out of the way. And for the most part, you can just mount a typical iron sight, at the front of the handguard here, and you can fold it down, and all is good in the hood. However, I have this this quad rail from Midwest Industries, and there's a cutout already made here. So you got two pieces, they clamp together, you tighten it down, all good. And it's meant to have a A2 sight, presumably installed here, and it'll stick up. Now, what if you want that A2 look, the reliability of the A2 sight, but you also want to be able to fold it? A.R.M.S Inc. Silhouette B. We're gonna look at the exact name of this thing. This will this will fulfill your wishes. That's it, guys. That's how you. I'm doing this with one hand, very natural. Very, very cool. It is pricey, though. It is pricey, you guys. By the way, this firearm is cleared. It is aimed in a safe direction. There is no ammunition at my workspace. I wish I didn't install this so I can show you guys how to install this thing. It's incredibly easy. It's one of the easier gas blocks that you would install on a barrel. So if your powered optic goes down, bam, flip up your irons. Flip them up. And if you want to get them out of the way, keep them out of the way. This is so damn cool, guys. I love this thing. It is incredibly expensive, though. This is like $200. I think I paid maybe $180, $170 for mine. Let's go over to the mini display and talk about what you get here. Where's my mouse? I lost the goddamn mouse. Here it is. All right, so let's take a look at this thing a little bit, more exposed. So what's cool about this specific product here is, go back. You can, whatchamacallit? Where is my, here's a little arrow. What's cool about this is that you can install a bayonet lug adapter if you want. That's going to have to be purchased separately, though, presumably from A.R.M.S Inc. So you just have those two set screws at the bottom of the barrel, and that keeps the gas block in place for the most part. And of course, there's a little spacer in the event that you need one, depending on the type of barrel that you got. I don't think I'm utilizing it, but I'm not sure. I don't remember. But this is it, guys. This is it. This is a folding A2 sight. This is the cleanest, the coolest looking, and it is high quality. It's made here in the U.S. I spoke with these guys before. They're incredibly professional. They're very, very kind. I love it. I love it. They're fantastic people. So they get a glowing endorsement from me. So let's go ahead and read a little bit of this product, or read a little bit about the product. So this is the new A.R.M.S Inc. 41B Silhouette Front Folding Sight. Solves the problem of trying to fold the well-known triangle shape of the conventional non-folding front sights. Barrel mounted in place, utilizes a rugged spring-loaded angled support system to eliminate getting caught up in brush and other combat hazards. Made of steel, and also uses a standard front sight post. Optional bayonet lug also available. Patent blah 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 blah. 100% made in the U.S. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. Let's check out the specifications. Okay, there doesn't appear to be anything there. What about additional information? Is there any additional information here? it weighs almost nothing. These are the dimensions if it matters. So yeah, this is a really damn cool product. Unfortunately, it is out of stock, so you will have to contact A.R.M.S Inc. and see what the deal is. Of course, as I'm making this video, there's a a medical event of significant relevance going on, and yeah, so things are kind of hard to come by. But yeah, let me go ahead and just give you a closer look of this really cool product. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Like I said, Yankee Hill makes a pretty decent folding sight. Precision Reflex makes a really nice one. But this gives me the option to mount on pretty much any quad rail or handguard that has this specific cutout for a gas block sight combo. So yeah, this just works the best. I've seen people try to make modifications to certain flip up sights just so it can fit in fit with the specific handguard that they purchased with it. And I don't like making modifications to my firearms at all. I specifically work on the AR platform, not just for myself but for other people, and I always advise against making cuts, making modifications that are not sanctioned or approved of by the manufacturer. I want to keep everything simple. I just want to put it together, make sure that it works, and it's ready for use in the real world. And that's basically about it. So with this specific A.R.M.S Inc. Silhouette B41, blah blah blah, I don't need to make modifications. I just installed it like I would any other gas block, and yeah. And again, if I need to, let's do this quickly. Just show you how quick I can do this. So right now I'm holding it as if I was like in a defensive assault position or whatever, and if I need to get the sight up really quickly, I can do that with almost no effort. All right, guys. So I haven't seen any videos talking about this front sight. The only regret I have is I wish I installed this thing on camera for you. Unfortunately, I can't do that because YouTube will probably ban me. But nonetheless, it installs like a regular gas block. It looks really cool, made in the U.S. Unfortunately, it's expensive. Unfortunately, it's out of stock, and I don't know when it will return or what needs to be worked out with A.R.M.S Inc. to get a hold of it. But I got like one of them, so I'm really stoked about it. And again, I think A.R.M.S Inc. is cool. I think the guys over there are cool and friendly, and they definitely deserve your business if they ever get anything in stock again. All right, so let me know what you guys think. Peace.